Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back today. So today I really want to come on here and just do like a real classic, or like, you know, one of those videos where I just sit down and I just do a crazy look and I'm just here and we're just doing it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back today. So today I want to come on here and do like a classic makeup tutorial for you guys. I uploaded one a few days ago where I wasn't speaking and a lot of you guys were like, this is great, but we want to hear you talk. So I'm going to sit down, I'm going to film a whole crazy tutorial. I don't know what I'm doing. It's going to be one of those ones, you know, really get into like back in the day when I just sat down, I had no idea what I was doing. So I wanted to film one of those today. And yeah, I'm excited. But first of all, right off the bat, I want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Teami. So they reached out. It's basically, Teamis are basically like a health and wellness and like skincare brand. They reached out and asked me if I was interested in trying one of their masks. So they sent me through the Detox Green Tea Blend Matcha Lemongrass Clay Mask. And I said, yeah, sure. I'm always interested in like trying new skincare products. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably would have seen over the last like few weeks since I've moved to LA, I've really been struggling with my skin. And I don't really usually do much with my skin, but I've really been struggling with it. So I said, sure, let's just try it. They sent this to me a few weeks ago. You can see I've used quite a bit of it. I have been using it and I really do like it. So that's why I agreed to come on here and speak to you guys about it. So I'm going to use it as sort of like a prep for our makeup tutorial today. I'm just going to use my fingers. I kind of find it easier. So this is one of the masks that dries down. So it's a clay mask. So it dries down. It makes your skin super tight and it feels very, it just feels like it gets you together. You know what I mean? And yeah, I find that it really smooths out my skin and it really gets rid of a lot of my blackheads. Because yeah, I usually just wash my skin with like soap. I don't have like a proper skincare routine. But this has really helped to get my skin looking like, just looking clean. I think that's like the best word to use. Like it gets rid of all of like the gross, like I get really bad blackheads around my nose and stuff. Like I'm sure most people do. But it just really helps and it really makes your skin look really bright. And so that's why I wanted to kind of come on here, put this on before our makeup tutorial so we have a really good base. I really like the way it feels when it's dry as well. It makes you feel like I've just had a facelift and I'm just like, ooh, I'm like a real LA baby now. This is like your LA life without having to pay $1 million. Also helps to like alleviate any redness if you have any acne scars. I've got one here, you can't see, but I've got one here, one here, and one here, these huge ones. And I am like very much that person who will sit there and like pick. And so I've been using this to kind of help it just like calm it down a little bit. I'm gonna go take this off and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. So this is my skin now, ready to put on some makeup. So thank you so much Teami again for sponsoring this video. You guys go check them out, all their links will be down below. And let's get into this tutorial, yeah. Okay, so for today's tutorial, I'm going to be covering my brows. We're not missing any stops for today. So I'm going to do that off camera really quickly and then I'll be right back. So I'll see you in 2 seconds. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to go in with a bit of primer. This is just the Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer. All over. Being careful about those brows. Of course, I'm really running out of this and it's so disappointing. Okay. Camera's really struggling focusing lately, I'm sorry. Alright, let's go in with some foundation. This is my Kryolan paint stick. Obviously. Y'all know what's up. Straight over those brows. I don't know what look I'm doing. I have absolutely no clue. I wish I knew, but we're just gonna make it up. Ooh, I missed a lot of hairs at the front there. Shit. Okay, so I'm gonna do my forehead. So we can set these brows, because these brows need to be set ASAP. Okay, I'm going to go with my Airspun, and we're just going to set these brows. And kind of the top part of our head, and then we're going to go down and start contouring. Just these brows can't be left open for very long. Go on with a bit of concealer. Is my lighting okay? I'm a mess. Okay, a bit of contour. I'm going to take the KVD Shade Light Palette. Just a regular contour. Oh my god, my nose is so itchy. Oh shit, I didn't do any contour at the top. Anyway. Okay, a little bit of nose contour. Straight down the sides. Okay, cool. Now, let's set all this. Take my Airspun, obviously. Alright, so let's do some contour. I'm gonna take my bronzer here. I'm gonna just do the usual stuff. Bit of nose contour. Okay, so this is pretty unusual for me, but I think we're gonna start with eyebrows. Yeah, I'm feeling some eyebrow vibes. So I'm gonna take this Smashbox Always On Gel Eyeliner in Brewed. This brown color. We're gonna go from pretty dark eyebrows today. And I wanna kind of like really get them looking good. So let's start here. Okay, I've got it in a different color. I'm taking this Marc Jacobs Eye-conic palette in Scandalust. Take this dark brown here. I'm gonna use this to fill them in and just filling in all these like sparse areas. You all get the vibes. Now we're going to go in with our concealer brush and clean up our edges because we're looking crazy. Bitch, eyebrows. Nothing is like funner than doing an ombre eyebrow. I don't know why I love it so much. It's just really fun. Girl, come on now. Brow? Shit. She good, she look good. Okay, I'm just taking my white TV paint stick now. I'm gonna use this just to highlight underneath these fucking killer brows. Ooh, bitch. Okay. Not 100% sure this is the best idea actually. Okay, I'm taking a tiny little brush and just this white setting powder. And we're gonna use this to create a highlight underneath our brows. Okay, cool. Let's move on. Now I actually have to figure out what I want to do for my eyes. Shit, I've got no freaking idea. Alright, so let's do some eyes. I'm gonna go in with, of course, the James Charles Morphe palette. We're gonna go in with some green. I'm feeling some green vibes today. Oh my god, this setup is so bad. I'm so lazy. Why can't I just figure this out? Okay. Oh, first of all, we're gonna do some baking so our we don't get any fallout. Y'all know the deal. Oh, look at my nose. She's skinties. Okay. And we're gonna kind of create a crease. Don't really know what we're doing, but we're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna have another blending brush just on standby so we can blend as we go. Just gonna take a piece of cardboard and just make this a little bit sharper. Just here. Okay, I've got this like teal blue color. This is the Sugarpill pressed eyeshadow in Mochi. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm gonna blend a little bit of this into here. Oh my god, these fucking eyeshadows are so pigmented. Holy cow, I keep forgetting. So I'm just sort of blending this a little bit into like the crease and on top of there. Oh my god, these freaking shadows. They're crazy. I totally forgot. I haven't used them in quite a while. Okay, now something that I really want to do is really highlight this brow bone, like to the point where it's kind of a little bit much. We want to go heavy. So I'm going to take my highlighter. This is the highlighter that I use virtually every single makeup look I do. This is the Marc Jacobs. I'm going to go eyeshadow in Primo. And we're going to pack this on here. All in that extra space. Okay, I'm going to take a smaller brush and a bit of setting spray. Wet our brushes a tiny bit, and I'm going to take the TooFaced highlighter in Diamond Fire. And use a bit of this as well. You see that? Alright, let's cut a crease. I think we need to cut just like the slightest crease. Okay, I'm going to go with my foundation just a little bit. And just really lightly cut a crease. Okay, now I'm just going to take a white shadow and just use this to set all that. Okay, I think it's eyeliner time. I'm going to do a really sleek eyeliner here. Now, following this line out here, of course. Perfect. Sleek brow, sleek wing. That's all you need. I'm gonna put on a bit of this highlight, I think, now in here. Pack this on just a little bit. Just have something in our crease. So let's move down to the bottom lash line now. But I love how this is just turning into like a real glam vibe. Okay, so I'm just going to line my underwater line. I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs fine liner in Pinky Swear. It's like a really baby pink. It's super cute. Okay, and now I'm going to take the green that's just left over on my brush here and lightly drag that underneath. Maybe I do need mascara on the bottom. Okay, we're doing mascara on the bottom. I can't help it. I can't help it. Okay, back with the mascara. Okay, I'm going to do a quick bit of blush. Just a combination of all these. And now some highlighter. I'll use my Marc Jacobs one. Okay, let's do some lips. Okay, so I think I've decided against the white eyeliner in the waterline. I don't think it's working, so I'm just going to go over with some black. Trying to fill it in a little bit. Alright, so these are the eyes, and I'm going to go in with some lips. I'm going to take the Smashbox Always Sharp Lip Liner in Safe Word. It's just like a nude. We're going to do some really big nude lips. And let's go. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I put on some earrings. I kind of just like parted my hair on the side. I'm not really sure what this turned into, but I really am so into it. Anyway, this was it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Oh, and also, my camera ran out of charge, the battery turned off, so I added some lipstick and then I just added some clear gloss and then I just added a little beauty mark. So this is it. I hope you guys really enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. You know, get all that vibes. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I really want to get to 100,000. It's all linked down below. Go check it out. Anyway, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Okay, so for today's story, okay, guys, so for today's tutorial, oh my god, so for 2 days, I'm fucking losing my mind. So for today's, oh my god, okay, fuck it. Okay, so today, oh my god. What? Okay. Okay, so today I'm going to be covering my brows. We're not missing any stops. Oh my fucking god, are you kidding? This is like, I'm being actually serious. Okay.